Hello friends, here is your tech handyman once again, and as you know spring is here, so we have to get ready our tractor to do the lawn mowing. Grass is almost coming up green, so I want to be ready. What I will do today is will show you how to change the oil and filter for tractor D110. So first thing first, what I will do is I'll take the oil out after opening the filter, and then we'll install a new filter and pour the oil, and we'll show you some of the things back then. So it's very easy. Open this, and you may have to locate the position for your tractor, but this is D110 John Deere D110 model. I need to do a little cleanup, but first I wanted to change the oil. So you can see this is a filter. This is what I would open, and when it is ready I'll start pouring the oil from here, and for now I'll open the filter. And you must need an empty container because this is important. You will have to recycle or put this oil in a place which accepts the used oil. Pep Boys, some auto shops, they might charge you $5 or something. Some do it for free, but you can't throw this oil in your trash. You're not supposed to. So just be careful of that if you are doing it yourself. So what I will do, I will open the filter, and see, this is the tool that you would need. This is a very handy tool. It's kind of a plier. It's available in hardware stores, and it's very flexible and comes very handy. So all you have to do is just hold the filter and just rotate it towards you, and you will notice that the oil will start coming out. Be ready with some of the paper towels, and what I will do is, now it is loose enough, so I will put a paper towel here so that it does not drip on the tractor, making sure that oil comes all the way. You see that? So just make sure that it can be real messy, so you have to be careful and put some waste paper under the ground so that any extra oil is there. And you will see the oil will start coming out. Just put the container in the right location. Okay, so we took out the oil. As you can see, this oil is container full. Just keep it safe because you will have to recycle. And then let's start the process of changing the filter. So I got this. This is John Deere Turf Guard. For my situation, I am in East Coast in Pennsylvania. 10W30 is the engine oil recommended. Just check which type of oil is recommended for your weather conditions, but it's John Deere. You might find some varieties of it in your local store too. And this is the oil filter. This oil filter and oil is suitable for John Deere D100 series. So let me open the oil filter, and as you can see, this is the product and this is the filter. And what I will do is I will do the replacement. And what they say is that you put some oil here, apply the oil on this washer ring, You see this rubber gasket. Apply some oil here, apply some oil here, and then I'll tighten the filter and then I'll show you. So I'll open this oil, and as you can see, I'll pour a little bit of this oil here, and if you want to smear with your hand, good. If you want to use glove, that's also okay, but whatever you do, you have to wash your hands after you are done applying this. So I have applied oil here on this filter, as you can see, and what I will do now is, alright, so this is the place where just apply some ring on the outside boundary of the place, and then it's very easy. There will be some oil that will spill, but don't worry about that, and you have to tighten it. Make sure that you tighten it with your hand very firmly, otherwise the oil will leak. And if you want to tighten it more, if you see that there is some looseness there, then I will again use the same thing, same wrench that I have, to tighten it, because whatever you do with your hand, it might still lose some filter tightness there, but don't over tighten it, otherwise it may break the. Okay, so I tightened it. What I will do is I will wipe the extra oil, and then we'll go off pouring the oil. Okay, so where to pour the oil? As you can see on my D110 tractor, I have on this side. I'm not sure on other tractor series if there is any other place. So you look at this mark very carefully. This hash mark is the one where you need to keep the oil level. So as you can see, my oil is towards that, so because I drained all oil, and I will going to pour the new oil, as you can see. So I poured the oil, and now I'm going to use the dipstick and see where my oil has reached. So as you can see clearly, it's up to the mark. You can see this very closely. This is right here. So I think I have enough oil. I don't need to pour any extra oil in this. What I will do, I will wipe it clean once again, just to make sure. And see the oil is back here. So I think we are good. I poured this one full container, as you can see. It will last for one season, and I'll come back again with any other maintenance that I will have to do for this tractor. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want to like it, please press the bell icon. Thank you.